beneath the burning sky, boots cut deep where the lost souls lie. Six-shot justice carved in my name, a past that haunts me wrapped up in flame. Through the wind and the whispers, I hear them call, ghosts of the fallen, shadows so tall. A drifter's burden, a sinner's chain, praying for mercy in the desert rain. Oh, let the storm wash my sins away, thunder roll and drown the price I paid. I've been running from the blood I spilled, but the past don't fade and the night won't heal, so I ride through fire and pain, searching for peace in the desert rain. Cold steel glimmers in the dying light, one last duel, one last fight. The preacher says there's a road back home, but the devil rides when you stand alone. Through the wind and the whispers, I hear them call, ghosts of the fallen, shadows so tall. A drifter's burden, a sinner's chain, praying for mercy in the desert rain. Oh, let the storm wash my sins away, thunder roll and drown the price I paid. I've been running from the blood I've spilled, but the past don't fade and the night won't heal, so I ride through fire and pain, searching for peace in the desert rain. The lightning cracks, the sky splits wide, silver bullets scream in the dead of night. One last stand, dust to dust, the outlaws fade, ashes and rain. Oh, let the storm wash my sins away, thunder rolling down the price I paid. I've been running from the blood I've spilled, but the past don't fade and the night won't heal, so I ride through fire and pain, searching for peace in the desert rain. As the dawn breaks through the barren land, a lone gun falls from a trembling hand. No more echoes, no more chains, just a name lost in the desert rain. In the desert rain.